What if I told you there's a legit spot online where you can access top AI like GPT-5, Gemini, Qwen Image Gen with world-class Nano Banana, and video tools rivaling Veo 3, all for free with generous limits and 100% legally? It might sound too good to be true, but after digging through tons of resources, I've uncovered reliable ways to tap into these without breaking the bank. Stick around and I'll walk you through. In this video, I'm handing you the key. The AI space is exploding. Every week, a new model drops claiming to be the next big thing. But here's the problem. Every upgrade comes with another subscription, another credit pack, another hidden cost. It's overwhelming, and you're constantly worried about paying for a tool that won't deliver. But don't stress. I've discovered a proven way to get access to the latest, most powerful AI models out there without spending a cent. It's 100% legal, safe, and designed to put you light years ahead of the competition. Think of it as your backdoor pass to the AI elite. But before I walk you through step-by-step on different models, I've got a little bonus for you. I've put together a private PDF with my personal list of the best free AI tools, stuff I've never shared anywhere else. I'll give you the link at the end of the video. Alright, let's unlock the AI vault. The platform is called LMS Chatbot Arena, a secret UC Berkeley research project where the biggest AI companies pit their brains against each other. And the best part, it's completely neutral. No bias, no favoritism, just pure science-driven testing. Think of it as the ultimate AI playground, and it's open for you to explore. Your role? Just test the AIs and vote on which one performs better. That single click is your ticket to unlimited access to the most powerful AI models out there. Free, safe, and completely legal. Once you sign up, you'll see a few options, but the one you want is direct chat. Let's test our first model. I asked GPT-5 to give me 5 ways to turn ordinary skills into real cash this week. It generated some very practical options which require no big investment. The idea is to start small and then grow big. Look at this output. I can start some of these today. We have all been stuck, staring a slide, tweaking layouts, hunting for the right images, wondering why something should have taken an hour ends up taking all day. That process is stressful and frustrating. If that sounds familiar, you'll want to see this next tool. Meet Gamma, a smart AI platform that transforms the way you create content. Whether it's a presentation, a professional document, or even a full website, Gamma can build it in minutes. No design experience needed. Behind the scenes, it uses multiple AI engines to handle layouts, visuals, and text, so you don't have to wrestle with formatting or images. And you are not limited to static slides. You can create interactive pages, dynamic documents, or even custom web experiences that tell your story exactly how you want. I used Gamma to build the entire presentation on ChatGPT-5. It handled all the design, visuals, and layout automatically, so I could focus on the content. Let me show you just how fast this is. I'll start a new project and give it a prompt. Create a slide pitch deck for a startup building AI-powered drones to deliver medical supplies in remote areas. And I hit generate, and in seconds, Gamma delivers a fully structured outline with an exciting professional theme. It writes the text, finds relevant images, and builds the complete deck automatically right in front of me. Don't like an image? One click swaps it out. Want to change the overall look and feel? One click updates the theme across every slide. You can tweak graphs, adjust design elements. Basically, the sky's the limit. When it's ready, you can present directly, export to PDF or PowerPoint, or send a live link. This is why over 50 million people are already using Gamma. I personally have saved hours of work. I would highly encourage you to give it a try. Now, I am switching to Google's most advanced model, Gemini Pro, and giving it a business challenge. You are an AI business strategist. Explain 3 innovative, data-driven strategies a mid-sized company can implement in 2025. In just a few moments, it produces a well-structured response, 3 strategies, each with practical examples, projected returns, and the risks to watch out for. What really stands out is how clear and actionable the insights are. It feels less like a generic list and more like tailored advice from a real consultant. This is where the real value shows up. Not just quick answers, but thoughtful solutions that can shape real decisions. Now let's see how Claude handles a more creative challenge. I asked, you are a futurist imagining the world of business in 2030. Tell 3 imaginative stories of mid-sized companies that achieved explosive growth in unexpected ways. Claude's response is fascinating. Instead of giving me a simple list, it actually weaves full stories. Each one feels like a glimpse into a possible future. Companies using surprising strategies, winning over customers in creative ways, and pushing through challenges that sound both realistic and visionary. This is where Claude really shines. It doesn't just analyze, it imagines. If you're looking for ideas that spark creativity and help you think outside the box, then Claude is your answer. Next, I'll give Qwen model with a coding task. You are an AI coding mentor. Write a compact HTML JavaScript chatbot code that can be embedded on a website. In just few seconds, it returns a neat, ready-to-use snippet. Just copy, paste, and open in any browser. The strength of this model is delivering precise, well-structured answers with a strong balance of technical depth and clarity, making it great for coding, reasoning, and step-by-step explanations. Now I'm going to test Gemini Flash, which is designed for quick, concise outputs. I will ask the model to generate a summary of an article for my social media post. The output was very short and punchy. Switching over to DeepSeek, a model built for deep reasoning and multi-step analysis. Instead of giving it something light, I'm testing it with a more complex prompt. Here's what I asked. You are an expert researcher mentoring a PhD student. Provide an in-depth analysis of the impact of large language models on scientific research workflows. The output is exactly what you'd hope for in a research context. It doesn't just list points, it breaks them down into structured sections by scanning and synthesizing thousands of papers. Next up, I'm testing Grok 4 Fast, which is designed for quick, concise, and actionable answers. I started with a simple science question. How do hummingbirds hover in place? Within seconds, it gave me a tight, clear explanation covering how their wing motion forms a figure-8 pattern that generates lift on both the upstroke and downstroke. No fluff, no over-explaining, just the science straight to the point. I entered another prompt and asked, summarize the latest developments in the space industry. It instantly pulled together a crisp snapshot mentioning recent Mars mission updates. This model is by Mistral AI. Is known for hitting that sweet spot between performance, cost, and versatility. Plus, it can handle text and images. But what I wanted to see was, can it handle human nuance, opinions, tone, perspective? I asked to write a dialogue between two Australian politicians discussing climate change. One from Labour, one from Liberal. Keep it professional, show clear differences, and make sure each summarizes their stance at the end. The output was incredible, and it handled the dialogue really well. I asked the OpenAI model to write a structured analysis that includes the top 3 climate-related risks for agriculture. What's impressive is how the reasoning engine kicks in. It doesn't just list the risk, it connects them to the actual data and research trends. Essentially, this model can bridge academia, policy, and business insight all in one structured output. That's why OpenAI markets as a model for deep reasoning and structured analysis. Click on Image Filter and the list changes to models that can recognize images. My first try is Nano Banana, Google's advanced AI image editing and generation model, now integrated into Gemini. What makes this one special is how it can understand natural language prompts to edit images. I gave an image of a popular dish and it generated a flawless enhanced version. It is designed for effortless one-shot editing so you don't have to mess around with layers or complex tools. Similarly, I gave an image of a horse carriage in Sydney Harbour and asked to add lightning and nighttime. The model nailed the atmosphere, storm, lightning, and that warm lantern glow for contrast. Now this one genuinely blew my mind. I tested Qwen's image model and wow, this thing has range. I started with something basic, just 2 t-shirts for a product mockup and asked it to change the colors. Instantly done. Next, I tried another image model, Ideogram, to generate a simple logo for a health coach business. The output was not so bad. I'm sure with few iterations it would be perfect for my client. Alright, let's switch gears and move into architecture, because this next model is a visual powerhouse. This is Flux 1 Kontext Pro, and it's built for one thing: breathtaking realism. So here's the test. I asked it to visualize a modern 2-story home in Sydney. Think large glass walls, a rooftop garden, and a wooden deck glowing with ambient lights. The lighting, cinematic, the perspective, eye level, surrounded by clean landscaping and that perfect blue sky backdrop. Now for the most important part for video generation. Head over to the Video Arena Discord channel. That's where you see real video gen by high-end models. Give your most craziest prompt and see it all come to life. It runs in battle mode and you get to vote on the winner. Quality is mind-blowing. Cinematic output, and honestly, way beyond most tools can do right now. This platform gives you the key to the future of video creation, where you can explore, test, and experiment every cutting-edge model in one place. So that's it for today. I'll copy the link to the PDF below with my #1 AI models. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.